Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading coming right after this gentle energies. So that reading may answer some questions you may have or clear your doubts in your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Seven of Stars in reverse, Magician, and Seven of Suns. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. You are someone who is really skilled and talented, guys, and you have a lot of experience. So you know what works well and what should be done and what will be the right thing to do. So you have clarity in your situation and you are someone who handles any situation effectively. So you are really clever and talented and you do things, try to do things in the right way, and you see your circumstances deeply. So you know the truth behind some circumstances, guys. So whatever it is, you are someone who is really wise and you have clarity. So you never react, you always go for response in any situation. So it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You think clearly and act clearly. That may be the reason that though you are facing some difficult situation, you are working hard, maybe struggling a lot, but you are in command of your situation and you maybe the efforts that you have put in, the work you have done, maybe is giving the rewards today, or what to say, you are in a good position today. You have advantage in your situation, maybe because you use your skills and talents and you are someone trying really hard, putting in a lot of efforts, Sagittarius. And in your relationship, maybe, guys, Sagittarius, maybe there are people telling you certain things. Maybe your close friends, you may have some common friends, they may tell you something about this person. It may be some kind of a rumor or a gossip, but you are not willing to listen to them because you are someone who has a lot of experience and you want to see things your own way and do things in your own way only when you see the truth for yourself. So you never listen to others. Maybe it may be some negative things they are telling you about this person, but you don't want to listen to it, guys. You are neglecting something they say. For some of you, it may be a good advice, guys. Maybe you must listen, or maybe you should try to see the truth in these gossips. So maybe you should give it thought. give some thought about this person. If you are thinking of some important decisions, you must give it some thought, guys. And in your career situation, Sagittarius, you have a clear idea what will work and what will be the right thing. So you should decide with your mind, not with your heart. Maybe if you are making some important choices in your career, you should think with your mind and decide with your mind and not feel emotional about some choices. So that is not going to work for you guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Sagittarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So we will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it says harmony. So in your situation, guys, in any circumstances in our daily life, we see that harmony is missing in our day-to-day life, in our society or in our circumstances, and conflict seems to be the norm. We are in so much stress, anxiety, and to bring peace and harmony, it is a really difficult thing. It is something that is that needs to be worked on, guys, to bring that peace and harmony in our day-to-day life. And we need to understand that all this stress, conflict, anxiety, what is the reason for that? The reason for that is our thoughts. So we are always worried or we are always thinking about certain things, and we have fear and judgment in our thoughts, in our mind. That is the reason we face so many conflicts in our day-to-day life. So to obtain peace and happiness, we must first learn to quieten our mind, guys, and be able to see our situation objectively from a different point of view, just like a third person. So when we see our situation from a different perspective and the people in our situation differently, we will be able to find harmony and accepting others as they are without any expectation. That is going to fill our life with peace and happiness. And when we open our heart to let this harmony flood us and change the situation around us, bit by bit our world will change. So the people and the circumstances we are in will change, and that change should start from us, guys. So that is the energy. So we should be able to relate that harmony first to ourselves, then to our circumstances. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, we have poisoned apple, jealousy. So in your situation, guys, maybe there is a person who is really close to you, who wants you to think of them as a friend, but they may be holding some grudge against you, and they are jealous of you, and they are finding the right way to approach you to harm you. So you need to be really careful with this person. And also, guys, in your circumstances, there are certain things coming towards you. It may look like a gift, but it is a temptation that is going to poison your soul, and that is going to push you into some difficult circumstances. So you need to refuse it right away. But even if you choose it, maybe you are too tempted or you cannot avoid it, and maybe you do not know the truth about these choices and you accept it. You need not fear, guys, fear the choice or the decisions that you have made, because the pain that you will go through in this journey, it is going to give you that gift of insight and experience, and it is going to give you clarity in your relationships. So you are a target of jealousy and revenge. So if you are able to avoid that person, maybe you may know who it is. If you can, you need to avoid them, guys, and you need to think clearly. If you are making some important choices or decisions in your life, you should think for yourself and not trust others, not trust anyone in these circumstances. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.